Hello everyone. Welcome back to Knowledge Base, your destination for easy and clear explanations of programming concepts. Today, we are going to learn about command line arguments in Java, an important concept that helps us make our programs more flexible and dynamic. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. So, let's dive right in. In Java, we often need to pass values into our programs at runtime. Instead of hard-coding data, we can pass them directly while running the program using command line arguments. This way, the same program can be reused with different inputs, making it much more powerful. Where are they stored? These command line arguments are stored in the string args array of the main method. So when we write our program, we declare it like this: public static void main, string, args. Each argument passed from the terminal is stored as a string in this array. For example, args 0 will give the first argument, args 1, the second, and so on. So how do we run a program with command line arguments? It's simple. First, we compile it using javac program name.java, and then we run it with arguments like this: Java program name arg1, arg2, arg3. Each of these arguments will be passed into our program at runtime. Let's take our first example. Suppose I write a program that prints out all the arguments passed to it. In this code, I use a for loop to print each element of the args array. If I run this with the command java command line demo hello java world, the output will be argument 0, hello, argument 1, Java, argument 2, whirl. Pretty cool, right? Now let's take a practical example. Suppose I want to add two numbers. I can pass those numbers from the command line and use integer.parseInt to convert them from strings into integers. When I run java sumargs 1020, the output is simply sum is equal to 30. This shows how command line arguments can actually be used in real calculations. But there are some important things you should remember. All arguments are passed as strings. We need to convert them into integers, doubles, or floats using parsing methods. And if no arguments are passed, our program may throw an array index out of bounds exception. So, we must handle such cases carefully. Here's a safer version of our sum program. Notice how I check if at least two arguments are provided. I also use a try-catch block to handle invalid inputs. So, even if a user enters something wrong, our program won't crash. Instead, it will guide the user by showing a proper message. Why should we bother using command line arguments? Well, they make our programs flexible. We don't need to hard-code values again and again. They're great for automation and testing because we can pass different inputs easily. And they are widely used in real-time applications, tools, and scripting. In short, command line arguments give more life to our Java programs. Now let's demonstrate the command line arguments concept practically. Let's quickly summarize what we learned. Command line arguments are stored in the string args array. They allow us to pass values at runtime. We must convert them into the required data types before using, and always validate input to avoid exceptions. Simple, yet powerful. That's all for today's session on command line arguments in Java. I hope you found this explanation helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Base for more such programming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the Knowledge Base. Thank you.